Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Yale Access and sync smart key fobs, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Yale Access app on your smartphone. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the Login button. Enter your registered email address and password in the designated fields. If you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password to reset it. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of the Yale Access app. To sync your smart key fob, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate the smart key fob you wish to sync from the list of devices. If the fob is not displayed, ensure it is near your smartphone and powered on. Tap on the fob's name to open its settings menu. Select the sync option to initiate the syncing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sync. You may need to press a button on the fob to confirm the sync operation. Wait for the app to confirm that the sync is successful. Once the sync is complete, you can now use your smart key fob to operate your Yale Smart Lock. Make sure to test the fob to ensure it functions correctly with your lock. If you experience any issues, refer to the app's troubleshooting guide for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Yale Access and synced your smart key fob. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.